If your Excel worksheet looks too small to read or too large to work with, you can fix it using Zoom. I will show you the easiest way to zoom in, zoom out, and return to the normal view. The quickest way is the zoom slider. Look at the bottom right corner of Excel. You will see the zoom percentage, plus button, minus button, and slider. To zoom in, drag the slider to the right. This makes the worksheet look bigger on your screen. To zoom out, drag the slider to the left. This lets you see more rows and columns at once. You can also click the plus button to zoom in one step, or the minus button to zoom out one step. You can also control zoom from the View tab. Click View at the top of Excel. In the Zoom group, you will see a few zoom options. Click Zoom if you want to choose a specific percentage, for example 100%, 75%, or 200%. Then click OK. If your worksheet looks strange and you want to go back to the normal view, go to the View tab again and under Zoom group, click 100%. Another fast method is Ctrl plus the mouse wheel. Hold down Ctrl on your keyboard, then scroll the mouse wheel up to zoom in. Keep holding Ctrl and scroll the mouse wheel down to zoom out. When you are done, release the control. If you want to focus on one part of your worksheet, use Zoom to Selection. First, select the cells you want to focus on. Then go to the View tab. Under Zoom group, select Zoom to Selection. Excel zooms in so that selected area is easier to see. To return to the normal view, click 100% under the Zoom group. Here is an important beginner tip. Zoom only changes how the worksheet looks on your screen. It does not change your font size, your column width, your row height, your actual data, or any other information. Also, if you scroll the mouse wheels without holding Ctrl, Excel will scroll up or down instead of zooming. Quick recap. Use the zoom slider for fast control. Use the View tab when you want a specific percentage. Use Ctrl plus the mouse wheel for quick zooming. And use 100% when you want to reset the worksheet view. Continue building your Excel skills with Excel Fundamental playlist or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.